Have you ever wondered who's really behind the Springbok success? It's not just the players, it's the coaching team leading them into the end of the year tour. Let's meet the masterminds behind the green and gold. First up, Tony Brown, the attack coach bringing flair and creativity. A former All Black fly-off, known for his vision and unpredictability, Tony's all about fast, fearless rugby. Expects the Boks to move the ball wider, strike quicker, and surprise a few teams on this tour. Next, Jerry Flannery, the defense coach, a former Island international and Munster legend, who's built a reputation for toughness and detail. His goal? To make sure the Boks defense stays brutal, organized, and almost impossible to break down. Then we've got Mzwandile Stick, the backline and skills coach. Once the captain of the Blitzboks, Stick knows space and timing like few others. His sevens background brings speed, flair, and adaptability. Perfect for the modern Bok game plan. Deon Davids is the man behind the muscle. The forwards coach who ensures the Bok pack stays dominant at every scrum and maul, is calm, tactical, and the reason South Africa always wins the physical battle up front. Daan Hyman, the scrum coach, is the man who turns power into precision. A former Springbok prop himself, Daan has built one of the most feared scrums in world rugby. His technical expertise keeps the Boks front row firing, every scrum, every reset, pure dominance. Felix Jones, the returning Irish analyst, is all about detail. He helped the Boks lift both the 2019 and 2023 World Cups and brings elite level preparation and structure. When you see perfect spacing and smart defensive reads, that's Felix's touch. Next up, Duane Vermeulen, now stepping into the role of defense and breakdown specialist. A two-time World Cup champion, Duane's physicality and leadership made him one of the most respected players in the game. Now, he's passing that experience on, teaching the next generation how to dominate contact and protect possession. And of course, Jaco Peyper, the laws and discipline consultant, one of the top referees in world rugby. Peyper's insight helps the Boks stay on the right side of the whistle and use the laws to their advantage, a small edge that can decide big matches. And finally, the mastermind behind it all, Rassie Erasmus, the visionary, the strategist, the heartbeat of the Springboks. From player to coach to director, Rassie has reshaped South African rugby, instilling belief, unity, and fearless innovation. Under his leadership, the Boks became back-to-back world champions, and now he's back at the helm, leading this incredible coaching group into a new era. This is the Springbok coaching team: Brown, Flannery, Stick, Davids, Hyman, Jones, Vermeulen, Peyper, and the architect Rassie Erasmus, the minds, the mentors, the men behind the champions.